this is Rubel from Brewing. Welcome back to my channel. So today we have one coffee maker to review. But before that, please like, subscribe my channel and patronize me so that I can reach 1K. Thank you. So let's get started. Okay, this package arrived from Amazon. I bought it. It is called AFRA coffee maker. Okay, so this is called AFRA coffee maker. The serial number is AF15900CM, CM, and then it has entry drip system. It has it has maximum power of 900 watt users, and then its capacity of coffee is basically 1.5 liter. So you can put around 1.5 liter water on it. In reality, it is like 6 cups of coffee, so you can get only bad coffees. Okay, let me open it, do the unboxing, and then we can have a look what's inside. So Amazon's packagings are becoming now day by day a terrible thing. I can see that. Okay. Okay, you can see everything from there. There's the thank you card, thank you for choosing, the manual, very good. Not much thing inside, that I can say. Okay. And here is the coffee maker. It's a very compact coffee maker, I would say. Seems nice. Look at that, look at that. Not bad. So this is your 1.5 liter coffee holder. And this is the coffee machine itself. So here you can see it is written like 12 max, so that means you can have 12 cups of coffees around here. And this is the base, the heating base. So basically, like you can, and this is the glass, complete glass base. There is no steel or something else. So you need to be very careful. So the base goes here, basically heat up. So you can heat it up like after having your coffee machine does its job. If you have like, let's say 12 cup of coffee in here, you can basically keep it warm the all day long. Okay, that's a very nice feature. So the most important part of this device is it has a digital display in here, you can see, and this is the coffee strength, how much strength you need on the coffee, like how much according to the temperature. You can configure the temperature, the minutes, how long you need to like heat it up, then the hours, and then the program. So you can basically configure minute and hour here, and there's a on off button and the delay brew. So you can ask it to delay the brew, because why? Let's say you put your water inside and the water is hot, but you don't want to start making the brew. You can basically delay it by pressing the button. So let me open that one. Okay, so overall this is there. So you can see this is the filter where you will put your coffees, and this is the cup, the suction where basically the water will come in drip by drip from that part, and here it will drip in your coffee and filtered and then come through here. Okay, if you press it, I think the coffee will come in. Otherwise, this is called a drip safety. Okay, So this is interesting picture. What happened? I put my mug inside, it presses here, and the coffee things come out. Coffee dripped coffee will come out, otherwise not. And that's it. Inside you can see it's pretty nice and clean, decent thing. Okay, so that's it guys, and I will do a trial up right now. Okay, so you guys will have an idea. Let's see. Here goes the water. Okay, I think that is the max. Coffee roasted dark Arabic coffee, pure Arabic coffee. Two spoon. ওইটা ভিতরে দিয়ে দিন, কোনটা ভিতরে দিয়ে দিন। Now put it locked, check everything okay, set the strength, set the on.